So yeah, if you've been seeking for a job, in this video, I'm going to share the simplest way ever for you to get like the most recent and most updated jobs on the websites of those that would hire you. You're going to be able to find the most recent jobs they have posted, right? You don't want to miss this video. See you inside.
All right, so like I said in the introduction, I'll show you two prompts that you just paste it into ChatGPT or into Cloud, and it's going to help you generate a couple of pages where companies are hiring, like their career pages. But I'll show you the two prompts right away. So stay with me, and I'm going to show you how to do that in less than 5 minutes. Now, here's the first prompt. Can you help me compile a list of top companies that offer dash dash dash? You're going to insert what you do or the kind of job you're looking for. Dash 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 related services in dash dash country or dash dash city, right? So let's say, for instance, you're looking for data analytics jobs, right? Let's say you're a data analyst and you're looking for jobs that are related with that field or in that field. Now, the first thing we are going to do is we want ChatGPT to compile a list of the top companies that are in that field or related to that field. Then the second thing is we're now going to ask it to help us compile the links of the links to the career pages of the companies, the top companies that it generated. And you know that career pages are where these companies advertise their jobs. So you are inside, like you're getting first-hand information. You're not going to job boards like Indeed, Glassdoor, those ones they'll have to do a whole lot of, updating. But in this case, you're getting the first-hand information from the company themselves, from their career pages, and you're not going to find it manually one by one. I'm teaching you how to do that in less than 5 seconds. You're going to compile, ChatGPT is going to compile and those career pages, and you're going to check them one by one and see the one that has a recent job opening. So before these jobs go out there, the company puts it out on their career pages first. That's why I'm teaching you this format, this strategy. So let's go with data analytics, for instance. And let's say we're looking for, we want to get a job in, say, the United States. And maybe there's a specific city in the United States that we're targeting. Let's say Texas, for instance, or maybe Houston. Okay, let's just say Texas. Texas is the state. Now you're going to edit this to your own country or the city you're targeting, or if you're looking for a remote job where you could work remotely, you don't need this part. You could remove this part, right, and just paste this part alone. But in this case, let's just add the city and then the country that we're going to use for our sample, for our illustration. Now, I'll copy this and paste in ChatGPT. You could use Claude for this, you could use any other AI for this. So I'll hit enter and let's see the result it comes up with. Okay, so it's still generating those companies. So let's wait a little. All right, it's done generating the top companies that are in the data analytics field or around the data analytics field. Now, the next prompt is now help me compile the real links to the career pages of the above companies and save it in a spreadsheet format. So I want it to compile everything like the career pages, the links to the career pages of these companies. I want it to compile it in a spreadsheet format. That's why I added this part so that you could easily download it and go through it one by one. So I'll get back here and paste this. So as you can see, is it has compiled, it's compiling the career pages. Um, this is the career pages for this company. This is career pages for this career page for this company, and this. So it's going to hopefully compile it into okay. Okay, I think it couldn't, it didn't get the command that I gave it. I asked it to, okay, let's just say, let me ask it to convert it to spreadsheet. Convert it to spreadsheet. Now you don't need to, it's not like a must that you must convert it to a spreadsheet, right? I just want the information to be in one place so that I don't have to come back to ChatGPT and keep clicking on all of these links. As you can see, the links are a couple of links here, and it's going to be stressful doing that. That's why I asked it to compile it in a spreadsheet. Okay, so it has compiled it in a spreadsheet. So if I click on it, it's going to preview it, then I'll download the spreadsheet. So here is it, it's ready. And if I click on download, I'll have it ready. So this is the spreadsheet. I'm trying to open the spreadsheet. Let's wait a little. So this is our spreadsheet. It generated 21 career pages for us. So you could now come here, and copy this link. For instance, go to our browser, paste it. Now this is the career page for this company, right? And if they have, so um as you can see, search open roles. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is the easiest way to find a job. I'm talking about a recent hiring, because these companies update their pages first. They update their career pages first before they put out their job openings out to the world. So that's the target, right? So if I click on this search open roles, I'm going to see the jobs that are currently available. As you can see, these are the jobs that are available. Like, this is the easiest way to find a job sincerely, without paying a dime, without going to Indeed and the rest of them to pay for subscription and the rest, right? So you could scroll down and find what fits you. And remember, you have other companies here too, right? This is another company. This is another one. You could take all of the links and click them one by one and see and apply to the jobs, and hopefully you get hired, right? So that's basically what the tutorial is about. And then, like I said, please edit this. I'm going to share this document, edit it to your own field, and to your own country or your region. Or, like I said, if you are working globally, like you're looking for a remote job, you could remove this part so that it could find globally for you. It could generate the companies from the global view, not locally, right? So um, I'll see you at the top. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video too. That's how you get to pay me, right? Thanks for watching once again.